Here you see the blade slide in one, other blade slide to that side. What you don't do is you don't get a screwdriver and open it up like a normal utility knife. What you have to do is first you have to open this little button right here, and at the same time push out. That opens the bottom. Now we'll give you the blades. It comes with a couple of blades. It comes with 2 blades, 1 for each side. The straight blade goes on the right side, and this curved blade goes to the left side. So what you do, you move the guide all the way up. You slide this little lever to the side, and then you push it in all the way in, release it, and it catches. And that's when one blade goes. You do the same thing for the other side. You move that one down, you move this lever up, and then you slide it in, you push it all the way in until it latches. Let it go. Then you can slide it back and forth. That's how you get them in.